Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video I have 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to use the electronic parking brake. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now you want to use the electronic parking brake every time you are parked uphill or downhill. To engage it, you just press this button once and you will see like a red icon will appear right here, and that means your parking brake is engaged. And now to disengage it, if you just press this button, nothing will actually happen because as it says the message, to release park brake, you have to press the brake pedal. So what you have to do, put your right foot onto the brake pedal and then press this button once, and this will release the parking brake. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.